Next Gen Hilux. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Toyota San Fernando. 2026 Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x2. Yung price, 2,273,000 pesos. Modern and muscular yung appearance ng front end. Halos same sa G variant, pero iba yung lower bumper. Naka-projector LED headlamps with DRL. LED rin yung fog light. May front camera. For aesthetics lang tong plastic trim, hindi siya functional. May front skid plate or bash plate na metal. Same lang to sa old model, pero ito, naka-matte silver. Naka-aftermarket wheelset yung display nila dito, pero stock size pa rin. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Gloss black yung side mirror cover. May camera for 360 view. Equipped ng blind spot monitor. Mataas yung ground clearance. Gloss black door handle with smart entry button. Mas okay na yung size and position ng stepboard. Hindi na siya yung mahirap tapakan. Check natin yung interior. Black leather seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft touch. Soft leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering na to, kaya siguradong magaan yung steering feel. Tilt and telescopic adjust yung steering column. Push start ignition. Full screen na yung meter cluster. Okay yung ganito, hindi siya masyadong reflective. Pagdating sa visibility, okay siya, mataas yung ride height. Kitang-kita yung hood. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Walang volume knob, pero may physical button naman. Dual zone automatic climate control. Gusto ko yung design and layout ng controls. Solid and premium yung feel. May 2 USB-C port at wireless charging pad. May eco, normal, and sport mode. 6-speed automatic transmission. Naka-electric parking brake with brake hold. May cup holder na removable. Soft leather yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Okay lang yung storage space. May 12-volt socket na rin. May upper dashboard compartment. Dampen yung glove box. Walang vanity mirror yung sun visor. Pero sa front passenger, meron. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Black leather seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Soft leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch na automatic. May grab handle pa rin sa B-pillar. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Sakto lang yung knee room. Nasa 3 to 4 inches pa yung allowance. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, medyo mataas din yung hump. May 2 USB-C port at AC vent. Yung foot space, makakagalaw ka pa ng konti. Okay lang yung sitting position, comfortable na rin kasi hindi matigas yung upuan. Yung headroom, nasa 3 to 4 inches pa. Okay naman yung sitting position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. Okay lang yung ganitong headliner, pero mas prefer ko yung sa old model na black. Bago na yung design ng fashion bar. May rear corner step. Maganda yung design ng rear end, modern and muscular yung appearance. Gusto ko tong Toyota lettering na naka-emboss, compared dun sa Toyota emblem na maliit. LED yung taillight. May reverse camera, parking sensor. Equipped na to ng tailgate damper assist, kaya kahit hindi mo na hawakan. Ganito yung size ng bed. Hindi lang ako sure kung mas lumaki ba siya compare sa old model. Pagdating sa suspension, mas okay siguro kung ma-test drive to. Pero iba na yung configuration ng lip spring compare sa old model. Baka lang may improvement sa ride comfort. Check natin yung engine bay. 2.8 liter turbocharged diesel engine. Ito yung maganda ngayon. Mas malaki na yung engine displacement kahit na 4x2. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.